This video is about the multifaceted marvel and unveiling the tenfold benefits of onions. Onions, a humble vegetable found in nearly every kitchen, possess an impressive array of health benefits that have made them an indispensable ingredient in cuisines across the world. Not only do they add flavor and depth to various dishes, but they also contribute significantly to human health and well-being. In this video, we will explore the tenfold benefits of onions, discuss the diverse ways to consume them, and provide insights into where to find this versatile vegetable. The benefits of onions extend beyond their culinary utility. First and foremost, onions are a rich source of essential nutrients and vitamins. They contain vitamin C, B6, and folic acid, which are vital for the immune system, energy production, and overall cell health. Additionally, onions are packed with minerals such as potassium and manganese, promoting optimal bodily functions and maintaining a healthy balance of electrolytes. Onions are renowned for their potent antioxidant properties. Antioxidants combat harmful free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including certain types of cancer and heart disease. Quercetin, a powerful antioxidant present in onions, possesses anti-inflammatory properties and may contribute to reducing blood pressure, thus benefiting cardiovascular health. Another significant advantage of consuming onions is their potential to boost digestive health. Onions contain dietary fiber, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Furthermore, they contain a type of soluble fiber known as oligofructose, which acts as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria and supporting a healthy digestive system. Onions have also shown promise in managing blood sugar levels, making them an excellent dietary choice for individuals with diabetes. Research suggests that compounds in onions may improve insulin sensitivity, lower blood sugar levels, and reduce overall blood glucose. This potential benefit highlights the importance of including onions in a balanced diet for those seeking to manage their blood sugar effectively. Onions possess antibacterial and antiviral properties, contributing to overall immune system health. Allicin, a compound found in onions, exhibits potent antibacterial effects against a range of harmful bacteria. This makes onions a valuable addition to one's diet, particularly during times of increased susceptibility to infections or during seasonal changes. Onions have been linked to potential cancer preventive effects. Certain compounds in onions have shown promise in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing the risk of developing certain types of cancer, particularly in the digestive tract. Although more research is needed in this area, the preliminary findings are encouraging. Onions also play a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin and hair. The antioxidants and vitamins present in onions contribute to healthy, vibrant skin and may aid in the prevention of premature aging. Additionally, the sulfur compounds in onions support hair health, promoting growth and strength. Incorporating onions into one's diet can aid in weight management as well. They are low in calories, making them a great choice for those aiming to maintain or lose weight. The fiber content in onions can also promote a feeling of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. Notably, onions have been lauded for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can benefit those suffering from inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. The compounds present in onions may help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms, leading to an improved quality of life for individuals affected by such conditions. Now that we have explored the myriad benefits of onions, let us delve into the diverse ways in which this versatile vegetable can be consumed. Onions can be enjoyed raw, cooked, or pickled, depending on personal preferences and the desired flavor profile for a particular dish. Raw onions add a crisp, pungent element to salads, sandwiches, and salsas, enhancing the overall taste and texture. They can also be caramelized or sauteed to bring out a sweeter, milder flavor, making them ideal for a variety of cooked dishes such as stir-fries, soups, and stews. Onions can be pickled to preserve their freshness and tangy taste. Pickled onions make a delightful addition to sandwiches, burgers, and tacos, providing a zesty contrast to other ingredients. Onions can also be used as a base for many dishes, forming the aromatic foundation of sauces, gravies, and curries. Their ability to enhance the flavor of other ingredients makes them an essential component of diverse culinary traditions worldwide. In terms of where to find onions, they are abundantly available in grocery stores, supermarkets, and local markets. Onions are a staple vegetable and are typically accessible throughout the year. They can be purchased in various forms, including whole, pre-sliced, diced, or even frozen for convenience. Furthermore, for those interested in incorporating organic produce into their diet, organic markets and specialized stores often offer organic onions, free from pesticides and synthetic fertilizers. In conclusion, onions, often overlooked for their ubiquitous presence in our kitchens, deserve recognition for the numerous health benefits they offer. From bolstering the immune system and promoting cardiovascular health, to aiding in digestion and potential cancer prevention, onions truly are a multifaceted marvel. Their versatility in culinary applications further underscores their importance in global cuisines. So, the next time you saute or garnish a dish with onions, remember the countless ways in which this unassuming vegetable contributes to your health and well-being. With a plethora of benefits and an array of ways to enjoy them, onions indeed deserve a prominent place in our daily diets.